Rogers streaming boxes like the XI6 and Xeon occasionally need a reset to fix issues like freezing or slow performance. There are three main types of resets: menu reset, which is a soft restart, hard reset for a factory reset, and reactivation to relink to your account. Recent updates like firmware 10.3 have improved the reliability of these boxes. In 2025, most issues stem from software bugs, and over 85% of support tickets are resolved via self-service resets. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection with a minimum of 25 Mbps for 4K streaming before performing a reset. To perform a menu reset, also known as a soft reset, start by pressing the Rogers button on your remote control. This clears the temporary cache and resolves UI freezes without losing any data. The process usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. For a hard reset, also called factory reset, the method depends on your box model. For older boxes, simply unplug the device for 30 seconds. Remember that hard resets erase all settings and data, requiring resetup afterward. After any reset, reactivation is essential to relink your box to your Rogers account. Make sure to try a menu reset first before performing a hard reset. These methods are device-specific, so check your model number like XI6A.